In Rust custom installation, the first question is select your default host dribble. Host dribble is used to refer CPU architecture. Some of these are i686, PC Windows MSVC, and x86-64 PC Windows MSVC, and x86-64 unknown Linux GNU, and x86-64 Apple Darwin, and many more. According to forge.rustlang.org, there are 4 toolchain channels in Rust, namely stable, beta, nightly, and nightly plus 1. You can install Rust nightly toolchain with specific date. The command is rustup toolchain install nightly with date, and you can check Rust nightly version from the Rust table version is inactive, which is inactive. The command is rustup run nightly rustc -- version. Rust has many components. You can add individual components using the command rustup component add and component name. Some of the components are rustc, the Rust compiler; cargo is a package manager and a build tool; rustfmt, this is a Rust code formatter; and ruststd, this is a standard library; and rustdocs, this is a documentation; clipper, this is a linter; rls is a Rust language server, and many more. Rust has 3 profiles: minimal, default, and complete. The minimal profile includes few components like rustc, ruststd, and cargo. The default profile includes components from minimal profile plus some components like rustdocs and rustfmt and clippy. The default profile is recommended for general use. The complete profile includes all components. Selecting this profile may lead some fail in the installation. The best is install default profile and then install some specific component that you want. To change rustup profile using the command rustup set profile, the profile name. For more information, you can go through rustlang.github.io/rustup/index